Howdy! Right, oh, you like my pants? Eh? Superman. Right, got them off grandson. Oh, 2 years ago. Never got them off. Right, Colwyn Bay meet this weekend. Not going. Unfortunately, mother's ill. She's having radiotherapy. I know it's not to do with you, but I've been on for a bit. Anyway, yeah, that's beside the point. Right, so instead of going to Colwyn Bay, I've got myself some goodies. You can see it, can't you? It's a telly. I've also got the TV mount. What I'm going to do, like I said, when I first started this, I said telly's going to go up there, etc, etc. And that's where it's going to go, on the roof. I'll show you that in a minute. Right, this is what I've ended up getting. That 24-inch smart TV. I'm not getting out for this, no commission or anything like that. But I got it from a company called, I forgot it, something deal or deal something. Not direct, deal somewhere. What I'll do, I'll put a link underneath. 199 quid. You could pay that for just a regular 12 volt TV. As I say, it is 12 volts. It's smart, it's got a DVD player, and it's got a satellite tuner, if I want to go down that road. Regarding my Wi-Fi, I used to swear blind by that Motorhome Wi-Fi, but apparently there's a device out called, I forgot the names now, Hawaii something. They're like a little white box. It's like you create, it's a modem. You create your own hotspot, but it's data. Now, 3 at the moment are doing these Hawaii things for £21, unlimited data. So I should be able to stream to my heart's content. It's supposed to be really good. But having said that, I'm thinking of naffing off Virgin, because they're getting stupid. It's just gone up another £5. And just whether 3 do an unlimited modem, home modem. But the thing is, they're 12 volts. So in theory, I should be able to unplug them and put it into the van and just use it in here when we're away, and use it at home when I'm at home. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go down that road. I'll let you know about that. So anyway, yeah, this is what we're on with. As I said, when I first started doing the build, it's going to go there. So when it comes down, it's actually, because the curtain rail here, it's going to come here, hopefully. Yeah, so so what I'm going to do with the bracket, I'm going to put the bracket up today, just screw it, and then cut round, get rid of the material, because I've got some jack plugs coming. They aren't going well tomorrow, but you didn't really need to know that, did you? Well, how is it every time I do something, it faffs up? Every single time. I've had to cut the material. I've managed to get 3 at front, 1 at back. There's supposed to be 2 at back. But I don't know whether I drilled it too hard or what, I don't know what I've done. But the actual one of these has gone right through. So, but the others have tightened up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some CT1. Sounds very posh, doesn't it? Right, in other words, adhesive. I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of the plate that's going up. So there'll be 3 there and 1 at the back. But this on its own should hold it. But the only thing I was worried about, if ever it does, you know, the vinyl, if it ever does come away from ply, it's going to bring telly down as well, isn't it? But I suppose this should have. Anyway, then what I'm going to do, anyway, it should hold it. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, put it up and then move this over and try and cut round the plate as tidy as I can. Right, I've cut all round the plate. Bit of contact adhesive. Oh, hang on. There we go. Like I say, these odd bits that there, but when you think about it, the telly is going to be on there, and that is going to go up like that. Anyway, so only part you're going to see is this, which is all right. Right, just leave that now for a few days. Right, I have managed to get the TV up. It actually goes down like that. I'm going to run the cable at the back of this. It goes all the way down and obviously gets plugged in. One of these, I forget which one it is now. I think it's that one. That's the modem from 3, not EE. 20 quid a month, unlimited data. Not only that though, I can take it anywhere. As long as I've got 12 volt power, it'll work anywhere. Well, saying anywhere, I don't mean on top of Ben Nevis or something. Well, you never know, do you? You know, if you're a, you know, but anyway, yeah. So, it's up. I shall show you later on what it is like regarding reception, etc. Right, so everything's set up regarding the Wi-Fi. The TV's on the roof. I'll show you the TV in a moment. Everything's plugged in already. So here we go. Right, there's the Wi-Fi. When that goes green, it means we've got a good reception. Obviously then you got your bars there. That red means that it's searching. There's the 3 bars. There we go. 3-bar reception. Right, regarding the TV, and then you just come down from the roof. There we go. I've done it so it's on an angle as well, so you can see it when you sat down. Right, power on. Right, it's saying there no signal because there's no aerial actually plugged in. But what you do, you go to the apps, apparently. There we've got BBC iPlayer, RTV Hub, there we are, RTV Hub 4. Yeah, quite cool. Back to iPlayer. Just to show you that it does work, I'll go to Netflix. There we are.
All of that. Do you get me?
RT crowd.
I was pretty shook up.
There we go.
I was paying attention to her.
And that's me.
We're done.
Interweb.
Yeah.
All up and running. Now, whether I'm going to be able to get reception at certain places is yet to be seen, but it is 4G. Somebody once tried with one of these with an external aerial. They were snake pass, and they actually got a reception. They only got 2 bars, but it were enough to run Netflix or BBC iPlayer. They couldn't get my 5, I think. That's all it were. But anyway, yeah, all up and running. If you've got Virgin Media, you can down Virgin Media to your phone. I forgot what you call it. I think it's called Virgin Anywhere, Virgin Media Anywhere, or something like that. And what you can do is mirrorcast from your phone to the TV. So whatever channels you get at home, BBC One, ITV, whatever, you can mirrorcast onto your TV. So, entertainment sorted. Sandra is a very happy bunny. Right, result.